Nurse, and I'm excited to introduce the iVital Patch, our nursing innovation designed for safer, smarter patient care. This small wireless patch is placed on the patient's chest and continuously monitors vital signs like heart rate, blood pressure, temperature, and respiration 24/7. It sends live updates straight to a nurse's tablet or central monitor and instantly alerts staff if anything goes wrong. So the iVital patch is perfect for ICU patients, post-operative care, and especially the elderly. No wires, no stress, just better care.